Gotta go to CNBC stock draft. I'm late. I gotta get my butt to EC.
Bye, good luck.
Thanks.
Can't wait to see you.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. It's so nice out here.
Hi, you have your shirts?
Yes. Please have gas. Yes. So this is the CNBC 2017 stock draft. My team name is the Flash Crash Gordon. Flash Gordon, obviously. Flash Crash kind of applicable to the stock market, right? They used to call my grandfather Flash Gordon. So Trish went out to Target and found 2 very nice Flash Gordon t-shirts to wear on air. We'll see how CNBC feels about that. It's going to be pretty funny. So they gave us a whole list of stocks that we can choose, and it's the cumulative percent return of the 2 stocks you choose up until the Super Bowl in February 2018. And there's some pretty cool people who are going to be there, like Mr. Wonderful from Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank. He actually is drawing right before me, so there's 8 teams. I'm number 2, and there's a list of about 40 stocks. I'm guaranteed to get one of my 2 top picks, and one of my two were Netflix and Tesla. Tesla looks awesome. Here, I'll link a chart. Here, I'll drop a chart. Right. Where's the church? Who took the steeple? Religion's in the hands of some crazy-ass people. Television preachers with bad hair and dimples. The God's honest truth is it's not that simple. It's the Buddhist in you. It's bigger than me. Okay, we're here. All right, here we go. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for having me.
It's my pleasure. You're gonna rock it. You're gonna win.
Stop calling me Mr. Gordon, please.
Mr. Gordon.
Jackie,
No. Todd.
can we go back to being friends after this is over?
I'll think about it.
All right, cool. Yeah, from the Rutgers cheerleading squad.
We're here today supporting our Rutgers Business School.
What about me? This is the very esteemed Don Peoples. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Very big pleasure here. Good
Thank
luck
you.
in the draft.
Thank you. Yeah, look, we got 2 chances of winning. We got Rutgers and then the Rutgers alumni. So we're
Us little St. Lawrence, upstate New York guys, we're in trouble.
we got it rigged. Right. Let's see.
Sir, I wish you best of luck.
Don't worry, I'm going to win this thing. I'm going to crush everybody. That's because I'm on Shark Tank and I know what to pick already and what's going to win. I can see the future.
But he's on Shark Tank, yeah, but he's not on Trading Nation.
Watch what happens.
I'm looking at there's some serious stats and figures on this computer screen right
Absolutely. I'm just checking out the market.
now. Good luck.
All right, thanks, man.
You're Mr. Charles Way from the New York Giants, and now an investment extraordinaire.
That's right.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
So, Mr. Way, what's the strategy here? Can you give your competition anything?
Yeah, you know what? You can't lose with the IQ 100 because I'm serious. I'm serious.
I know where he's going with it. I know where he's going with this.
Innovation is key, and it's driving the top line revenue. Look at the top 10 picks. They've averaged over, 20% performance over the last quarter. So look, IQ 100, can't beat it.
I'm in deep trouble.
All right. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, great, no problem.
That'll be fun. Yeah. Good to meet you, guys. All right, so what's your game plan?
I think we should pick the best stock
Yep.
and keep it and win. That's my game plan.
What else is there?
Number 1 spot, maybe looking for that QB, that franchise player. A lot of people suspecting that.
1 minute back, 1 minute down.
What is he gonna do? I wonder.
That because of certain ways to calculate, plus we have some commodities in the contest. I didn't make the rules.
What would you guys choose?
I like the Tesla pick.
On Netflix all the way.
All right. All right.
Lean in.
Lean in like Sheryl Sandberg. Yeah, a man who is going to be picking no doubt with technicals. That's what he does. Also a man who no doubt has the ugliest shirt on in the entire NFL stocks draft room today. Thank you, Brad. I love this. At least take the tie off, my friend. All right, we had a viewer who wrote in on Twitter who said, obviously this is going to be Tesla. Your second pick is who?
Obviously this is going to be Tesla. So
is it?
It's Tesla. It is. That viewer is absolutely correct. That's no.
Why Tesla?
Tesla is, if we're going to win this game, this is a momentum trade. And if you look at the technicals of Tesla.
All right, Todd, and where'd you come up with your name? Flash Crash is not the kind of name we want to have in the CNBC stocks draft.
We're trying to avoid a crash in Tesla, but I mean, hey, I'm staying true to the family heritage. You know how it goes.
Next year, I'm going to suggest an XL. All right, Todd Gordon, we'll see you for the second pick. On the clock now is Alicia's. What stock are you selecting?
Advanced Micro Devices.
Wow. AMD. Why is AMD seventh pick in the first round? Who are you going with, Don?
Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo's undervalued.
Who is the Rutgers All-Stars going with?
Bank of America.
Another bank? What the heck?
So our thought process was, Mr. Wonderful picked Apple to start because of the dividend. Netflix and Facebook are still on the table for the dividend. Do you guys think what?
Netflix.
I got Netflix.
You think he takes Netflix?
Oh, I think he takes Facebook. I think we get Netflix.
I think he takes Facebook for the dividend, right?
Yeah.
No doubt. You are taking?
It has to be Boeing. Here it is, on my head. Why? A quality balance sheet in an environment where Trump is going to spend like a drunken sailor in defense. Where's it going? Right here on top. This is going to be amazing stock for the next year, no question.
Amazing stock for the next year, guys. Kevin, thank you very much. Flash Crash Gordon on the books. What do you think about the Boeing pick?
I sense a lot of head scratching here on this desk. I don't know, Jim, what do you think?
Oh, it moves from one.
Next pick's in.
All right, Flash Crash Todd Gordon. He went Tesla. He said, hey, we got to lay it on the line here. You are taking, Todd Gordon, your talents to which stock for the second pick?
We are going online with Netflix.
Going for Netflix?
I like that. But Netflix, I think, is a wonderfully positioned stock. We're going all in. It's had an amazing percent gain in 2015. It took a bit of a pause in 2016. Recent earnings were strong. Weak on the international subscriber growth, though. I feel like they're going to pick that up. I think there's significant upside in Netflix. We're going to look for $300 in 2017.
You should have had your team name be Momo Gordon, because the guys, Todd Gordon is going for the momentum. That's his. That guy Donnie, that's his strategy, right? He's playing with a bunch of guards.
You know, Brian,
no
I
center.
like his strategy. I'm a huge Netflix fan. I think Reed Hastings is one of the best CEOs in the.
It's coming up. We're going to have to go with that.
Laying out, hey, Cardinal, laying out the case for Pfizer, PFE. You got a Kimberly Clark. Toilet paper play.
That's right.
Now Snapchat.
Yeah, because I understand both businesses. So look, I'm a borrower, so I borrow money, and I've got a 14-year-old daughter who is constantly on Snapchat.
Who also borrows money.
The best percentage return as of the closing of on the Friday before next year's Super Bowl, that is February 2nd, will be declared the winner. They will get a big trophy and a lot of bragging rights. But now it's time for us and our draft experts.
Awesome. Good job. Good job.
Team Flash.
Thanks, bro.
And this man has been around forever. What am I doing?
Good job, girls. No partying tonight? You're probably not.
It was on some weird format.
Yeah, it's recorded. It's good. Can we get
Oh, you wanted a video?
It's fun.
Oh, is it recording right now?
It is recording right now. Ryan,
Be
good
on
job.
camera? I hate
Thanks,
the camera.
Thanks for kicking my butt.
How are you?
And
That's true. Favorite. Going to Michigan. How are you? Hello. Good to see you.
Famous Dominic Chu. That you guys know.
Infamous, more likely, Todd, right?
We actually know similar people before we
In the
back.
business, yes. I mean, this is in the back in the FX days. A lot of people don't know I got my start in trading in the currency markets, currency and interest rates. So
you and I both.
Yeah, I know.
And we wind up here.
I know. Talking like this. It's crazy how fate works out. So you never know who you're going to end up with, who you're going to end up down the line. So it's always great to keep those connections like Todd.
Like, all right. Dividends are great longer term, right? But you guys, forget this college stuff. Forget this, like, fundamental dividends. I mean, you're talking momentum. You got to get into technicals. You guys got to start swinging some sides. Come on, play the breakout.
I think it's going to be a sleeper. It's going to be a sleeper hit.
I mean, the markets are looking already pretty frothy as is, so we're really going towards value in order to preserve.
So why didn't you go gold?
Be consistent, strong players, and they can also have some catalysts that will help improve value.
What a future. This is a future Wall Street fundamental analyst. Like, come on, we got to get you guys. Forget what you learned in class. We got to get you trading. We got to get you doing options, trading momentum. Forget about this value stuff. Boys, I'm kidding. Don't listen to anything I say.
Thanks,
See you guys. Take care. Good morning from your nap. I look like Andrew Keene. Keene, what do you think? How am I pulling this off? We'll go downstairs. I'll take you through the chart of Tesla, the reason I chose it, and oh, I need a haircut. And Netflix. Let's go. So this is Netflix, right? What we're looking at here is you're looking for equal leg moves, and a lot of times that'll unfold in the market. And being that these are such big dollar moves, we're looking at a 292% gain back here. So it's safe to assume that you can project another 292% move, which gives you possibly 247, right? And if you're like, wow, that seems like a pretty fantastic move. Well, not really. Just kind of step back and look at the chart and be like, it doesn't look that, out of whack, right? The other stock that I did was Tesla. So this guy has been in a range for a long time. Tesla was caught in this kind of $140 to $292 range from 2013, 14, 15, 16. Finally, Tesla just broke out. Take the size of the range. Once you break the range in a percent basis, you project that higher. 107% move post-range break puts you at 605. If the stock market keeps going, I feel like I kind of have this thing in the bag. Like, those are the two most obvious choices, and I can't believe other people didn't take those. And plus, what's cool is the contest is over February 2nd, which is my birthday, so that'll be fun. Hey, I have a new toy. Let's check it out. Comes in a carrying case. Cool.